Following on from example 2 in the previous video of exercise 2A, we're now looking at percentages and converting it to decimals. So I want to convert these percentages to decimals. Now, the nice thing about this, it's a lot easier than changing a percentage to a fraction. As I mentioned in the previous video, when you are taking it out of a percent, you are dividing it by 100. So now we're dividing by 100. You look at the 2 zeros, that tells you how many decimal places you are moving it. And you are moving it to the left because we're now dividing it by 100. The decimal point on our whole number lives at the end. And I just go 1, 2. So my answer, 93% as a decimal, is 0.93. Not too bad. Fairly straightforward if you just remember the process. For B, we've got 7%. So that's going to now be 7 divided by 100. Remember, 2 decimal places are being moved because of the 2 zeros. I'm jumping to the left. 1, 2. Now I have a space to fill. So it's 0.07 as a decimal, so the percentage to decimal. And lastly, 30%. 30 divided by 100. We've got the 2 zeros, we're still dividing, so I'm moving my decimal point to the left. 1, 2. For this answer, I would accept 0.3 or 0.30. For both of them, I'm happy with both of those answers. And that is converting